Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to clear up one of the biggest misconceptions many smartphone users have. Can you install APK files on the iPhone 17? A lot of people moving from Android to iPhone wonder if they can download an APK from a website and install it the same way they used to on their Android devices. The short and simple answer is no, but understanding why gives a much clearer picture of how Apple's ecosystem works. APK files are designed specifically for Android. They contain the structure, permissions, and code that the Android operating system can understand. This format is completely incompatible with iOS, which powers the iPhone 17. Apple uses a completely different app format called IPA. These two systems use different programming frameworks, different security layers, and different installation methods. As a result, an APK file cannot run on an iPhone, not naturally, not through sideloading, and not through third-party apps. Apple's security model is built around control and safety. On Android, you can install apps from unknown sources with just a toggle in settings. On iPhone, there is no such option. Every app must be verified and signed. That's why all apps come through the App Store, where Apple checks them for security, performance, and privacy standards. Even when you sideload apps on iOS using tools like Outstore, Store, or Sideloadly, those apps still have to be in IPA format, and they must be signed properly before the iPhone will install them. Sometimes you might see websites claiming that APK files can be installed on iPhone through special emulators, converters, or browser installers. These are misleading and often unsafe. There is no Apple-approved method or legitimate software that allows APKs to run on iOS. Emulating Android inside an iPhone is not supported, and attempts to do so can put your device at risk, expose your data, or even lead to malware infections. If you want to use an app that exists only in APK form, the only real solution is to check whether the developer offers an iOS version in the App Store. If the app is not available for iPhone, then it simply cannot be installed. This is one of the major differences between the Apple and Android ecosystems. Each platform has its own app format and rules. In summary, APK files cannot be installed on the iPhone 17 or on any iPhone model because they are designed for Android's architecture. iPhones only accept IPA files, and even those require signing and verification. Understanding this difference saves you from fake downloads, harmful websites, and unnecessary frustration. If you want an app on your iPhone, always look for its official version in the App Store.